Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a theme and coloring tutorial for my most recent Christmas theme and coloring, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on that, so let's get started. Here is the theme and coloring. So it is a very basic theme and coloring. I mean, the coloring's pretty good, but the theme is kind of, simple, and I tried to make it a little Christmas, kind of like, like cozy, and you know what I mean? So you can use my theme as a base and you can add on, but I'm just going to be doing a tutorial on what I have so far. So to do the coloring, we're going to go on to B612 first. And this coloring is made by me and another person, so Decor CR. I used her pre-cool settings. So give credits to her and me as well, I guess you can say. So after you go on B612, you're going to go on the AR filter section, and you're going to scroll all the way until you find this filter. It's going to be on the face, so it should look something like this. And you're just going to find that and then click save. After you've done that, you are going to go onto 24 FPS and then add the honey QR code over the filter. Then you're going to go onto pre-cool, and I will put the settings up on the side so you can go ahead and copy that. So for the final step, we're going to go into ultralight, and I will put the settings for ultralight on the side so you can use them. So I did it on a different video because it didn't really look good on the video I was doing because of the lighting. So here's how it's supposed to look, kind of. So now we're going to move on to the theme. So for the theme, what we're going to do is we're going to go into Font. And this is a very, very quick and easy theme. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to think of a question. So I'm just going to write, what are you doing this Christmas? Maybe you're going somewhere. And the font, I'll put it up on the screen so you can go ahead and use it. And I'm going to put it in the middle, then add shadow. Then I'm going to take the first line, so what are you doing? And I'll put the font up on the screen once again. And I'm going to make it a little smaller this time. So I'm just going to put that over what are you doing, not the bottom part, just the top. Then I'm going to use the font, it will be on the screen, and I'm going to use the letter Q. I'm going to make it maybe that big and put it right here. So I'm going to make sure both of these are centered. And then I'm going to put this cursive one over what are you doing. So it should look like that, 3 layers. And then I'm going to add my watermark. So my watermark, it will be in the pinned comments. All the symbols I use will be in the pinned comment. So I'm just going to take it. You can copy and paste it from the comments. And I will put the font up on the screen as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend overlay. And I'm going to make this smaller and put it right above what are you doing. And then I'm going to use the the snowflake, and I'm going to remove the blend because we don't want blend, and paste the snowflake. And then I'm gonna put 2, one at the top, one at the bottom, so diagonal from each other. Then I'm gonna make the size smaller and put it beside the bigger one. And then I'm going to go ahead and save this video. So you can save the project, obviously. Then the last step is to go into CapCut, add your project, and add sharpen for good quality, just like this. And put the resolution up high, and then you can save it to your camera roll. So in the end, it looks like this, and this is how it should look. And that is it for this Christmas theme. So if you use the theme, you can use it like as a base and then add things onto it. So that's my theme credits, and for the coloring, it's mine and Decor CR's theme coloring credit, sorry. So you can give both of us credits if you'd like to. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!